Losing weight is not difficult, you just need to limit yourself to food and do fitness. But if it were that simple, everyone would be flaunting fit slender figures. In this video we are discussing 5 helpful tips on how to lose weight. Number point 1. Diet journal. It is known that in order to lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. But keeping in mind what and how much was eaten is difficult. Therefore, it is worth starting a journal and recording all food and drinks in it daily, and at the end of the day calculate the total amount of calories. This will provide insight into the nutritional value of the diet and help control intake. Calculating the rate of calories and finding out how many of them are in each product is very easy today. There are many sites on the internet with online calculators. Such constant calculation and weighing of food portions is a very effective way to lose weight, and in a few days you will already, by eye, determine how much food you can eat. Number point 2. Fitness plan. A structured workout plan laid out on paper is another important step in weight loss. It must be realistic and specific. Exercises need to be selected for themselves, because each person has his own characteristics of physical form, and someone wants to strengthen the press and someone wants to tighten the figure as a whole. The World Wide Web is full of courses for every taste and level of training, so you can create an individual fitness program. The main thing is to enjoy the workout, because the benefits of the exercise will be only when the exercises are performed with pleasure. Choose a set of workouts, schedule it by day of the week and hang the schedule on the wall. It will remind you to exercise, and it will be easier to stick to the plan. Number point 3. Maintain consistency. Many people cannot lose weight due to lack of sequence of actions. Entries in the dietary journal are not made every day, the diet is disrupted from time to time and this is becoming more frequent, exercises are performed every other time and all this multiplies all efforts to lose weight by 0. The system is important in any business, and the regularity of the actions performed is the basic rule, without which there will be no result. Of course, not everyone will like the prospect of constantly exercising and monitoring nutrition. But there is no other way to lose weight and you will have to work on the result. When you want to give up everything, think about how beautiful a toned figure looks and how much easier it will breathe without excess weight. Push yourself towards your goal, and a diet journal and exercise plan will help a lot along the way. Number point 4. Competently change the diet. Without proper nutrition, no results in weight loss can be achieved. It has already been proven that approximately 80% of successful weight loss comes from a balanced diet, and training accounts for the remaining 20%. Because even if you actively engage in training, but then dine on fried potatoes with smoked sausage and eat a cake for dessert, you will not be able to lose weight. And this is the hardest thing, to change eating habits, but without them it is impossible to lose weight. Number point 5. Take your time. Building your system will take some time, and you won't be able to get a slender figure overnight. Of course, you can try to part with extra pounds, sprint race with strict diets. But hardly anyone will be pleased with the attached bonus in the form of sagging skin and almost guaranteed health problems. Tune in for a marathon, incorporate proper nutrition and exercise into your lifestyle, and stick to it. Don't get hung up on every gram and enjoy the process. And then the result will not be long in coming. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe us and press bell notification for more updates.